Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some of the Nicole Diary stamping plates, and in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the first three of the Animal World collection: ND-001, ND-002 and ND-003. As always, you can find where I purchased these from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual scraper along with my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I have 6 coloured nail tips and I'll be taking 2 swatches from each plate. And I'm going to be starting with ND-001. For my swatch I'm going to be using a beige nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now I am using a little more polish as these plates are quite engraved, but I love this image, the detail is beautiful. For my second swatch I'm going to be using a yellow nail tip along with a red stamping polish. I do believe these are my first rectangular stamping plates from Nicole Diary. I do also have the nature set as well, and I'll be bringing them to my channel very soon. Now this image, I feel like I want to colour in all them patches in different bright colours. The next plate is ND-002. For this swatch I'm going to use a white nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. I think this dinosaur is so cute. I have nothing in my collection like this image, but he's so adorable and he would look really good coloured in as well. For my next swatch I'm going to be using a silver nail tip along with a black stamping polish. Now I've seen quite a few images like this one. They seem very popular on social media, and I've also seen them multicoloured as well, which look great. The next plate is ND-003, and for this swatch I'm going to be using a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. For this image I'm actually going to be turning the plate. There is no particular reason why, but I just sometimes find that it helps me to get a better scrape. There is so much detail in this image, it is just absolutely beautiful. For my last swatch I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. I will be removing the excess I've picked up as I only want the owl when I stamp, but again he's got a lot of detail going on and it's swatched brilliantly. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these Nicole Diary Animal World stamping plates. ND-001 is full of some amazing detailed designs, of which there is 12, and to be fair they're quite big images as well. Now with this plate I did find that a couple of them I really wished I could have got better swatches. No matter what I did, it didn't seem to do anything. I'm sort of putting this down to probably how engraved they are and my scraping. And they are the 2 zebra ones. I just couldn't get much better than what they came out as. But I love how them tiger faces have stamped, but also the eye owl as well. And there's also some gorgeous pattern designs as well. I only have a couple of plates like this one, but I would love to do a mani featuring the tigers' faces, maybe with some animal print as well. I used the Tiffany Duo stamper for all of the swatches off of ND-001. So because I'm sharing the manis between myself and Flexi, nail polish on me, gel polish on Flexi. For these manis I've actually used Flexi, so they're all gel polish designs. So I wanted to use one of the patterned designs which I really liked. So I've used a black gel polish and I've stamped in a metallic-y green stamping polish. I love this mani and I would definitely do this one on me. I did and ah about putting it matte though. Not sure how that would look. ND-002 has 12, again, very large designs of mixed animals like the flamingos to the bears and even the seahorses. I was a little worried about the very opened image of the penguin faces on the bottom left hand side, but it has swatched way better than I thought it would. There's quite a few images that I think would look even better with some either added colour or over a multicoloured background, like the bears, the dinosaurs, the flamingos, them sort of images. This is such a cute stamping plate. Again, it is quite engraved, so I have again used extra polishes. For the flamingo design on the bottom line, I did turn the stamping plate so that the lines, as I swatched, were going the way that they're facing. So if they're going across the plate, I scrape across the plate. They're coming down the plate, I come down the plate. It just makes it for a better pickup. For this mani, it was an epic fail from the start. I wanted to do a Sharpie background with the bears over the top. However, that did not work out. My Sharpies just didn't want to work. It's just, oh yeah. So I decided to go with a glittery silver gel polish instead, which looks really great, but a few of the lines I'm sort of seeing have slightly blurred a little bit over the top of the glitter. I need to have a play around with this gel polish and stamping, I think. ND-003 is full of amazing designs of all sizes, of which my favourite just has to be the giraffe. I feel like he should be saying hello. I've taken 21 swatches in total, and I've used my Tiffany Gero stamper as well as my small clear stamper. Again, these images have so much detail. I love the two animals with the balloons. I see birthday manis for them, and the two flamingos will work well with the other flamingos images from the last plate. I don't think I have anything in my collection like this plate, but they could add to manis to make them very, very interesting. I had a lot of fun swatching this plate, and I had a lot of ideas as well from this plate, and I'm excited to return. I've loved all three of these stamping plates, and I will be bringing the other two from this collection sometime next week. They were really easy to work with, so any ability will be able to work with them, and they will really make some fantastic manis. Now for this mani, I decided I wanted to use the deer with the flowers along the bottom line, as I felt that they sort of went well together because the deer was holding flowers underneath. So I've used 3 different stamping polishes, an orange, a brown and a red, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. I don't think I've ever made a mani like this, and I was just like, I winged it really, but I just absolutely love it. It is one of my favourites so far this year. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products that I've used to create them. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 3 Nicole Diary Animal World stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.